up, my awesome, delightful friends? Today we are making a recipe that is perfect for sharing with your family, if you're entertaining during the holidays, or if you just want to sit quietly by yourself and watch true crime and eat an entire smoked cream cheese ball. I've got you covered. Here is the lowdown on the smoked cream cheese ball. Y'all have seen the smoked cream cheese. It's been everywhere on social media, and I just wanted to take it to new heights because I think the idea of really smoky cream cheese is delightful and delicious, but why not take that smoky cream cheese and shove it into a jalapeno, bacon, cheddar, ranchy style cheese ball? So that's what we're gonna make, and I'm real excited. All right, I wanna keep this pretty simple. Cheese balls are kind of like a 3-step process. We're gonna smoke the things, we're gonna mix the things, and then we gotta chill them before we can eat them. So let's get the smoker part started. 225 degrees on your smoker. You wanna keep the temperature low enough that the cream cheese doesn't completely melt, but it can pick up a lot of the smoke flavor. We also need the fat to render out of our bacon, and we wanna get a nice little toastiness on some pecans. So we've got 2 cubes of cream cheese. These are about 16 ounces each according to the package. And we're just gonna cut about a 1/2 inch deep into a nice little crosshatch, you know, XY diamond pattern on top of each one, and then season it all over. Yes, score is the word I was looking for. Thank you, Todd, behind the camera. We're gonna score the cream cheese. This is gonna allow the seasoning and the smoke to sink a little bit deeper into the cream cheese itself. Oh, another note, you do want your cream cheese to be cold. So this is just straight out of the refrigerator. The colder it is, the more smoke it'll pick up, and the less you have to worry about it kind of melting once it's on the cooker. Now I've got this on a cooling rack, like a cookie cooling rack above a cookie sheet, because it kind of makes the process and the cleanup a little bit easier. And when I season, I don't have to worry about the seasoning going everywhere. This is my fish and veggie rub. It has really nice flavor notes in it, like dill and onion and garlic. And honestly, in this cheese ball, it tastes like ranch seasoning. So if you don't have the fish and veggie rub, you can actually pick up like a bottle of the ranch seasoning, and it'll create really similar flavor profiles in the finished product. But if you do want to grab a bottle of fish and veggie rub or make your own, I have the recipe on my website, and the bottle is available also on my website. You just click the store button. Da-da-da. All right, I've got 2/3 cup whole pecans. I'm just kind of gonna get those guys spread out also on the cookie sheet, or the cooling rack, I mean. This is gonna give them the opportunity to toast on all sides, and we're gonna crumble them later. So if they're already kind of beat up, it's fine. It's cool. I also have 8 slices of bacon. I'm gonna, again, bacon on a cooling rack. Really nice. The baking sheet underneath will catch all of the fat as it renders. And then we're gonna sprinkle this guy with my sweet rub seasoning. It's a brown sugar-based seasoning. I think it's gonna add some really nice smoky barbecue goodness to the cheese ball at the end when we mix it all together. Again, in my store, you can use your favorite barbecue sweet rub if you have one at home, or I have a recipe online. You can make it yourself. This guy is going on to our 225 degree smoker with the baking sheet underneath. This one we're putting on just the cooling rack so we can get that smoke all the way around the cream cheese, but keep it all contained. I'm gonna smoke this for about 2.5 to 3 hours. I really wanna get smokety smoke on here, and I really want to render all of the fat out of this bacon. You can really use your favorite wood here, but I think, you know, we're using pecans. If you have pecan wood, I think that would be a really great choice for this cheese ball. All right, our bacon, our cream cheese, and our pecans are off of our 225-degree smoker. They were on for about 2.5 hours or so. You can see the cream cheese has taken on quite a bit of smoke, and it's a little bit weepy. My smoker was running a little bit hot, but I think it held together really well. The pecans are nice and dark. They're toasty, they're smoky, and our bacon isn't necessarily crispy, but it's really well rendered. So we're gonna chop up the bacon, we're gonna chop up the pecans, and then I've got all of the makings for the cheese ball, and we get to smush them all together. Oh no! Some of the bacon fell off of the cutting board and into my mouth. Pecans are chopped, and these are going on the outside of our smoked cream cheese ball. So I like them to be pretty fine, but still have a little bit of texture. Now, speaking of, we're gonna do outside in little bowl. So our pecans go in there. Some of our bacon, I would say, third of your bacon, put in the outside toppings bowl. About a tablespoon of our green onions, and we have a third of a cup total of green onions. And then I have 1¼ cups of cheddar cheese. I'm gonna put a 1/4 cup of the cheese into our outside mix. So our pecan, bacon, green onion, cheese mixture, just give that a little bit of a toss because we're gonna need it at the very end. But this is all the yumminess that's gonna go on the outside of our cheese ball. I like stuff on the outside of a cheese ball that kind of tells people what's going on the inside of the cheese ball, if that makes sense. It's like a little clue, like a Where's Waldo of cheese ball.
Is all that gonna stay on the outside of the cheese ball?
We're gonna roll it and press it. Okay, outside set aside. Let's work on that inside. We're gonna start with our 2 bricks of smoked cream cheese. Just look at this, is kind of funny. I mean, it didn't like melt all the way through, but I do think that maybe my smoker was a little bit hot. It's fine. I don't have to worry about it like glooping through or looking dumb because I'm making it into a dip. But if you just wanted to do the smoked cream cheese, I would probably smoke it at like 175 to 185 instead of all the way at 225. Okay, but I really wanted soft cream cheese because it's gonna whip up better. So this works out great. 2 bricks of smoked cream cheese. It has the fish and veggie rub seasoning already on there that, like I said, is kind of ranchy. I've got 1 jalapeno that has been seeded and very finely diced. The remaining cup of cheddar cheese. A cup of pepper jack cheese. The rest of our green onions that are sliced. 3 tablespoons of sour cream. And last but not least, all of our yummy, smoky, sweet rubbed, candied bacon.
How big is this cheese ball gonna be?
It's gonna be real big. Real big ball. Hand or spatula? Hand?
Hand.
Spatula. Hand?
Yes.
This is gonna get weird. Okay. I'm feeling really good about this, actually. Get your cheese ball onto your plastic wrap. Now we're gonna shape this bad boy. I might even do a second piece of plastic wrap this way because it's big. We wanna make this a ball shape. Or, I mean, if you're celebrating, you could make it like a pumpkin shape for Halloween. You can make it like a football shape if you're tailgating.
Easter egg?
You'll make it like an egg. It's Easter. So many options. I feel like cheese balls are the ultimate holiday food. Now this guy needs to chill out a little bit. It's still kind of warm from its time on the smoker. and all the stuff we have going on there. So wrap it up, pop this in your refrigerator. I would say refrigerate for at least 2 hours. But if you want to make this before your party or your event, you can make it the day before and really save yourself some time. Put a piece of saran wrap on your outside wrapping, pop that into the fridge next to your cheese ball so your cheese stays fresh. And then once we pull it out, it's just roll it up and serve time. I got my assorted chips. I got my tiny little cute cheese knife. Crackers? They're not chips. These are crackers. I got my assorted crackers.
I was just checking to see what they were.
I got my assorted crackers. I got my tiny cute little cheese knife. It's time to roll a cheese ball, my friends. This guy has been refrigerating for a couple of hours now. It's not as soft as it was, which is exactly what we're looking for. I've got my bowl of delightful cheese ball toppings that I've kept in the refrigerator. I'm just gonna put that gently on a platter. Spread it out. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of wish I was the cheese ball right now because it gets to roll around in that topping. Bacon, toasted smoked pecans, green onions, cheddar cheese. That sounds delightful.
Sounds like a good time.
Sounds like a great time. So you might have to press a little bit, okay? To get the outs to attach. That's fine. Is there anything more festive than a cheese ball? It just screams like
A lot of things.
event, party, family.
Wow.
Look at my cheese ball. Smoked cream cheese, jalapenos, candied bacon, cheddar cheese, pepper jack cheese. Did I already say jalapenos? Jalapenos. Toasted pecans on the outside. This is just a delight. Do you ever have times in your life where you just pause and reflect and feel grateful for all the things that brought you to this moment? That's me right now with this cheese ball. Just take a little chunk of dew out of here. Yes. Look at it. Oh, I got some of the bacon. I can see the jalapenos and the green onions. This is just all of my favorite things on a cracker. Oh, so good.
What?
It's so good. Oh my gosh. That is the best cheese ball I've ever had in my life.
That's a bold statement.
Oh my gosh. So good. Okay, Todd, here.
The best cheese ball you've ever had in your life.
You know, you guys can't even try this until Taste Test Todd gets some, right? Okay, fine. Give me the camera. So good, it hurts a little.
Ooh.
Getting all the notes.
Cheers.
Yep, this feels right.
Wow. That's so good.
Okay, it's like a tasty flavor bomb. Now that I have swallowed and I can speak clearly, you get everything, but all together. So you get a little bit of the dill and the garlic and the onion from the fish and veggie rub. You get the smoke from the cream cheese and the bacon and the pecans, but it's not overwhelming smoke. It's like this delightful kiss that just makes it more interesting than any cheese ball you've ever had. It's creamy, it's savory, it's a little bit of sweet when you get some of that candied bacon. Everything about this is bomb. I think that this will be served at every party I ever have now, always, forever. And I feel like maybe if you try it, it would be the same for you. So, I mean, pursue this recipe with caution, unless you always want to be making cheese balls. This is bonkers delicious. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you do, and it turns out as beautiful as this one, snap a photo, post it online, rack up the likes because you're gonna get them. Share the food with your family and friends. Make those memories, especially ones that, you know, surround food and surround family, because that's what it's all about. We'll catch you guys next time.